Hello everyone, welcome again to Maths Guide. This is lecture 3 of fractions and this video is about mixed number and its application in our life. If you are new to this channel then subscribe and I suggest you to watch lecture 1 and 2 also for better understanding of this topic. A mixed number is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction together. It generally represents a number between any two whole numbers. Look at the image. It represents a fraction that is greater than 8 but less than 9. It is a mixed number. It shows 8 and a half. 8 is a whole number and half shows fractional part. For writing a mixed number, look at this image. As you can see, there are two circles. One is completely shaded and in other one, 3 parts out of 4 are shaded. So we can say that it's 1 whole and 3/4. The whole number is written slightly bigger in size beside fraction, as you can see in these examples. This is a proper way for writing a mixed number. In first image, you can see there are two complete bars of chocolates. And third one represents 2 parts out of 6 equal parts. Can you write it in the form of mixed number? Yes, we can write it as 2 wholes and 2/6 or 2 wholes 2/6. For second image, write your answers in comment section. In lecture 1, I explained different types of fraction and told you that a fraction with greater numerator and smaller denominator is called an improper fraction. Here, this is an improper fraction. Do you know an improper fraction can be easily converted to mixed number? How? There are two methods. One is through diagrams and second is through division. Denominator always represents total parts. Here we have 7 parts in total and we have to show 18 equal parts out of it. First 7 parts are completely shaded and again take 7 parts, shade them also. Now we have 14 parts. 4 more parts are required. So we can take another 7 and shade 4 out of them. Now look, we got 2 wholes and 4 7 parts. We can write it in mixed number as 2 whole 4/7. Converting improper fractions to mixed number through diagram is time-consuming method. Second method is conversion through division. It is simple and easy, just follow these steps. Suppose you have an improper fraction. First divide numerator by denominator. You will get a quotient and a remainder. Arrange them according to this formula. Quotient will become whole number, remainder will be numerator, and divisor becomes denominator. This arrangement is called mixed fraction formula. Here we have same improper fraction which I converted into mixed number through diagram. Now convert 18/7 to mixed number through division method. Following the steps. Divide numerator by denominator. It means 18 is divided by 7. We get 2 as quotient and 4 as remainder. Using formula quotient remainder divisor, arrange these numbers. We will get 2 whole 4/7. Now look at this image. 14 is divided by 3. 4 is quotient. It will become whole number. 2 is remainder. It will become numerator. And 3 is divisor. It will become denominator. Now take a paper or a notebook. Divide them and convert these improper fractions to mixed numbers. Remember, through practice, you will be able to convert any improper fraction to mixed number mentally without work. We've gone through how to convert improper fraction to mixed number. Mixed number can also be converted back to improper fraction. First, let's try to convert mixed number through diagrams. Here I have a mixed number that is 4 wholes and 3/5. As 5 represents total parts, so we will take 4 bars, each divided into 5 equal parts, and shade them completely to show 4 wholes. Take another bar and shade 3 out of 5 parts. Now count the total shaded parts. It will become numerator and denominator remains the same. For second method, we have to do simple calculations to convert mixed number to improper fraction. To convert any mixed number to improper fraction, multiply the whole number by the denominator. So we will multiply 4 by 5 and add numerator into the product. As 4 times 5 is 20, add 3, we will get 23. This 23 will become numerator and denominator remains the same. Mixed numbers are used in various practical and mathematical contexts. Here are a few examples. For cooking and baking, recipes often require mixed numbers, such as 1.5 cups of flour, and measurements of length, width, and height often involve mixed numbers, for example, 3.5 feet. Time can be expressed in mixed numbers, such as 2.5 hours. And mixed numbers can be used to describe quantities when shopping, like 1.5 pounds of apples and 3/4 gallons of paint. So this was all about mixed numbers. Do like and subscribe my channel for next lecture, which will be about simplifying fractions or reducing fractions to lowest term.